everybody, and welcome to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today is a haul video instead. We got some Ipsy Shopper flash sale. We got some boxy add-ons. We've got a cool package here from Colored Rain. So let's just dig into it and see everything. So first up, I'm going to open up my Colored Rain box. The only thing I've done is untaped the side of it. It should be 2 lip colors and a palette. Scissors, important. So much choice. Okay, here we go. So they were having their 50% off the Power collection, and personally I really like this palette, and it was a really great reason for me to actually buy it. So here we are, Colored Rain and Power TP show, and let's look at the inside of it. Look at all those purples. Oh, look at that. The packaging itself, yeah, is pretty shiny. Sorry about that, but it has got some, look at this color up here, this Truth color. Let's swatch it on the inside of my arm. Oh, yeah, that's nice. And we'll get Revenge here. That one's lighter. And this Alibi color. Oh, that's so dark. Okay, so these are 3 of the colors. Truth, Revenge in the middle there, which is kind of harder to see, and then Alibi. My swatching skills are not great at the moment, but look at those. They are so soft and so nice. I am super happy with those. Okay, yeah, so there's the palette. Really excited about that. Definitely happy. They're really pretty. And the 2 lip colors I've got, I have these 2 here. Actually, one of them is a lip gloss, and then I have a lip color. So the lip gloss is in the color Fancy. I don't remember what colors these are. I bought them. They were on sale. That's all I know. It's very sparkly. Let's put it on the back of my hand. So they're matte lipsticks. I have a hard time getting off. I had one swatch from an earlier video, and I had to scrape at my hand to get it off. But the lip gloss, hopefully that won't be the case when I'm doing it, but let's get a nice little swatch of the lip gloss there. So it's kind of like a lighter, it's got a, ooh, you can definitely see the shift with the lights. It's got this purple glitter shift there. So that'll be really fun. I can definitely see myself just wearing that, or putting it on top of a neutral color, like the color I've got on right now would have been great with that. And this is a matte lip paint. Oh no, this is the ones that get stuck on my hand. And this is in the color Amazing Rain. Oh, it's hot pink. It is hot pink. Interesting choice for me to get it. I will make sure I don't let it dry down, because then it will never come off my hand. And yes, it is pink. Oh, pink. That's a look. That's something I will have to deal with. But let's get that off before I turn my whole hand pink with that. So that's my Colored Rain products. I'm very excited about that. I'm really excited to have a full palette from them, and to add a couple more lip colors. Excellent. Let's head on to the next one. Next up, we're going to grab my Boxy Charm add-ons. These are from May. They got here well after the boxes did. So the first thing is from one of their other boxes. So it's the Butter London Natural Goddess palette here. Just some nice natural colors. We've got 2 mattes here at the end, and then the 4 shimmers, which is pretty nice. I'm not going to swatch these right now because I've got lots of other stuff to open. I also got 2 different lip pencils. We've got kind of a more brown color here. These are both from Appeal. This one is in Naked, and this one is Next Level. It's more of a pinky color. And yeah, just some nice gel lip liners. They were really cheap. Okay, and the last thing that's in here is this Ambient Lighting Blush from Hourglass. This is what I was most excited about. Put out here. So here it is, nice and shiny, and it's got fingerprints all over it already. Good job. This is in the color Diffuse Heat, which looks like this on the inside. So this is going to be a nice glowy blush. Put some on my finger. So see, it's not going to show up because of the lights. It's a very light pink. So it is very light, nice, a little bit shiny, but I'm gonna have to put a lot of it on, but it's definitely not a everyday color because it's pink, much more than what I've got on currently. So it's really nice though. I am really excited that I have this. I wanted the Hourglass product, so I'm happy with that. Okay, so that's it. Boxy add-ons, I only have 4. So let's get into our Ipsy. There's 3 of these bags here. I don't know what's in what bag, so let's just start. Let's see. This one's pretty thin, so we'll open this one first. This one has 2 lip colors in it. One of these is a colored rain lip color. Okay, well. So if you guys have watched some of my others, I had another haul video where I had a colored rain matte lip paint in the color 24/7. This is again the color 24/7. Let's watch it on the back of my hand. It's a really nice color, but I have to wipe this off as soon as I put it on, otherwise it's there forever. It's like this berry pinkish color. It's really nice, but the last time I swatched it, I got it stuck on my hand once it dried, and it was really difficult. I had to scrub it off. I was wondering about that. So this video, 3 colored rain lip products. Okay with that. And this is from, let's see, it's a super glazed. Oh, it's from Half Caked. On the side it says babe tested, vegan approved, and it says slight work. So here it is. It's a pinky color, kind of a dusty pink, and it is called, yeah, slight work. Let's see. It's kind of like a pink on brown color, and there is that. It's a lot more sticky than the other one, but oh boy, it smells good though. It smells really sweet, really sweet. I know. Cool. I'll get a sugar high from it. Well, I guess it's called Half Caked and it's called super glazed, so a berry-ish smelling, kind of like a fake strawberry scent. From a candy or something like that. I don't know. I like the color though. I think it's gonna be really nice. We'll see. I'll give it a chance to dry down at some point if it does. If not, it doesn't really specify. It just says that it's just a super glaze. I don't know if it's a lip gloss or a lipstick. The box and the product aren't super helpful with that. Okay, next we're gonna pull out this one. This feels like a bunch of masks. That is what it is. So in here we've got a Rest Recipe Peach Mask from Comely Co. We have a Natural Avocado Mask Sheet from Siam. We have another one from Siam. It is a Natural Shea Butter Mask Sheet. And this one is an aqua, and it's got a lot of words. Let's see. Hyaluronate Aqua Hydration, blended with pure hyaluronic acid. Okay, so it's a nice moisturizing one, and it is from Natura. Or Nestor? I don't know. But it is another mask, and this one looks like it has multiple steps. So that's gonna be fun. That's fun. Love me some masks. Happy with that. And our last one. This one, it feels pretty light, but it's got some space in it. Oh! More sheet masks. And a tiny mask. Okay, so this is a mask here. It says it's a JJ Young Pore Glow mask. It is Brighten and Glow. Let's see. Is this a peel-off mask or a... Oh, it says keep refrigerated to enhance pore brightening and skin soothing benefits. Now this one isn't a peel off, so it's not going to dry down. This is just a rinse off one. That's nice though. More masks. I should do masks every day with the amount of masks I have. And this one is also, if you watched me open a previous one, this was a mask that was in a previous one. So this is the Kazu Beauty 24K Gold Glow Sheet Mask. Boy howdy, I am having a lot of word issues. I think there's 2 in here. It's got gold in it and hyaluronic acid. I don't know what that means. It'll be interesting to test out. Okay, so basically, I think we're at the end there. Got some Colored Rain products, got some lip products, got a lot of masks. That's a fun thing. I didn't remember ordering a lot of these. I remember ordering this set with the 2 lip colors. I don't remember ordering the masks. I assume I did. I don't think Ipsy's just sending me random things. Well, you would think, and then they did send me a random set in with my stuff, so who knows? Well, it's fun. I like opening all of these things. The next few videos that I am recording are actual boxes, and one of them is my Ipsy Glam Bag, which is somewhere over there. I'll be recording it after this. So, thank you guys so much for watching on this rambly, weird hole that I dug myself into. Strange. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!